Hey everybody! So I just wanted to make a quick video showing some things that I have in my Etsy shop. The first one is this St. Patrick's Day cross-stitch pattern. So this I came up with because my son did a All Saints parade at school, and his saint was St. Patrick. And so we learned that St. Patrick, the cross, or not the cross, the clover in the olden days was had a meaning to it. And the meaning was for the Son, the Holy Spirit, and the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. And that's how St. Patrick would teach the sign of the cross using the clover. So I thought that was really cool. So I designed this cross stitch, and this is what the pattern looks like. But I designed this cross stitch and put it up in my shop, and I hope you all check it out. And my shop is turicocreations.com. So go check that out and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.